Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we have come to the Mumbai Zoo at Bhaikala. Me and my husband, we both wanted to visit this since a very long time. We visited this last when we were like small kids. After that, there were many years since we did not visit. So today we wanted to make utilization of our holiday and this Christmas season and visit this zoo since my husband loves animals. Tejas has gone to buy the tickets here. He bought the tickets?
Yes.
What's the ticket fare now?
50 rupees.
50 rupees per person? Okay, let's go then. All specimens, selfie points. This is the entry point. Let's go.
So excited for the zoo.
Yes, let's go. Have time only till 5:30, so we need to rush.
Let's go.
Elephant, sloth bear, hyena, leopard, jackal, hippopotamus.
Let's go.
Rashid, hippopotamus, yum. So now we have the elephant. Let's see the live elephant. Oh, Crow is enjoying elephant ride. Darshit, you missed this as well. Cute elephant. Bear is not coming out. Look at him dancing over there.
You can only see the shadow.
Yeah. Come out, bear. Come out, please. Bear, come out. This is for tiger.
Tiger phala ki nahi hua
And you can see the rush. Definitely, I'm feeling scared to go in that rush. There's so much of rush. Hi, tiger. You're so much in demand. Tiger territory. चलो लाइन में लागो हमको. Just taking few people at a time. साथे रहो. Look at the rush. Even I caught that. At times animals are resting. Yeah, but they are resting in their habitat, so it's okay if you cannot see. Do not disturb them and bring them out. Even they have their own times, so be sensitive towards animals as well. That's the message we want to give. Just for our entertainment purpose, we cannot keep disturbing them. If you're lucky enough to see them, then it's okay, but don't disturb and bring them out. Let's see if we are lucky enough to see the hyena. Show us some show us hyena. Leopard. Hi, leopard.
Sleeping hyena.
Enjoy.
Yes.
Happy seeing all the animals. Your friends. Humans are
Wild
less of
animals.
friends than animals to you, right?
Wild animals.
Yeah, you like animals. Huh? Now we are hungry a little. So we've come to the Cafe Wild. We're trying to buy something. Sambar, as I call them.
There is one stag and the other two are near. I don't know what they call it.
We saw hippos and idli sambar. Now let's go the other side.
There are different types of trees.
Yeah,
They are all palm.
they're labeled. If you have a lot of time and if you have come with kids who are like learning primary things like fruits,
palm
trees,
trees.
animals, it's a great learning place for such small kids.
Palm trees.
Yeah, palm trees. In fact, it's a great learning place for adults also because we have forgotten actually which tree is called as what. So it's a great learning place for everybody. This is a swarm deer. And the spotted deer. Let's see if we can spot them. Oh, I can spot. Here. Here they are spotted deer. Oh my god, so many of them.
This is a swarm deer. This is a spotted.
This is spotted. Because it has those spots.
Swarm deer is a swarm.
They look like dogs actually. They're size of a dog. I just zoomed the camera but they are this size. Swarm deers. There's one. Yeah, so they do not have antlers. It's fallen off maybe. And they're hiding. Side deer. Side deer. Oh yeah. That's why he's hiding now. One of its kind. Look at the sound of birds chirping and very peaceful. Any zoo you go, there's a lot of nature and animal sounds and bird sounds. So you feel quite relaxed. Now we are entering the main attraction, that is penguins. He's very excited to see them.
Humboldt.
Which one?
Humboldt.
Humboldt penguins. Can you give us some information about them?
They were imported from Chile, from northern Chile or Argentina, one of the two. And approximately 4 to 5 years back by the government. And at that moment, it was really expensive for the government to procure them, and even their maintenance is quite high. I've heard it comes up to lakhs of rupees per month.
Yeah, because that is because they need very cold environment.
So it's 24 hours
Refrigerated.
AC
Under the AC, yeah, they are kept under air condition because they need very cold environment to survive. That's why they are a little bit expensive, but totally worth it. Like they're so cute.
Small.
See, there's a different chamber altogether for the Humboldt penguin. It's Humboldt penguin Kaksh, and we are entering that. Excited. Fancy things, fancy fountains. This thing, I mean the painted walls and everything gives us that 90s feel of a Chidiyaghar and zoos that we used to have at that time. Lot of greenery around. It's a very big children's park over here for those coming with kids. There's full on entertainment. You can show them birds, animals, and then there's a park also. Swings, slides, everything. Seesaws. I feel like a kid again. I want to sit in each one of it. Now we're going to the bird's paradise. Paris. The military Macau is over here. Military Macau. Go to military. Do your duty. The African grey parrot. Cockatiel.
Crocodile, white and grey. There are different types.
Over there, there's something like something like go and see. Turtle? Hi turtles, I'm coming. Oh babe, wait for me babe. Oh babe, wait for your baby Arsenal. Look at this Arsenal film. Turtles.
यहाँ पे पानी
There are so many actually. Underwater swimming. Hi turtle. Hi, you come to say hi. Hi turtle. Hello. What's your name? Ninja turtle. ये डूबे क्यों लगते हैं? Taking the limelight, fighting each other to take the limelight.
Social media addict.
Like me.
He's a social media addict.
Yeah.
The other one was coming for him and then he just brushed him aside.
Yes. You are like me, turtle. The turtle. These are star turtles and they are endangered species, so protect them wherever you see them. Star turtles, they are star-like. They are star-like. Shells, I guess.
Tata is a friend of mine had it at his place, but didn't live long, unfortunately. Snake enclosure. That's a python.
On the branch. Then there's one very small one.
Oh, there's one.
But moving to the next part of this is aqua birds, and I'm excited for aqua birds. Let's see what aqua birds are, which ones are there, and let's go and enjoy those birds. Oh, similar kind of structure was there in Kakarya also for birds. I'll have to zoom in to them. This is the stork and the other birds inside a net. The big ones, the storks. Even in the Kakarya zoo I had covered this. Going so close. Oh my god, look at him. are inside their cage actually.
Oh wow, we flew.
We are inside their
We
cage.
flew.
This is such a different thing. You are inside the bird's cage. They are with us. They are not inside a cage which is where like, we are not a part of. They both are in a single cage.
Those also want to come in.
Yeah, but they cannot.
Spoonbill is spoonbill.
Hi, Spundu.
Spoonbill.
Hi, Spundu. What's up? Wanna come with us? Come with us? You shit on us, huh?
Red brown spoon. This is a Japanese spoon.
Yeah, we have shown all of them in Qatar. Yeah, I hope people who are watching my vlogs have all the knowledge by now.
Brown spoon.
We are educating you. Wow. Okay, good. So I guess that's it. We have covered almost all of them. Many of them are under construction as well. And we have come towards the exit. Taz has gone to see the tiger again. There are many selfie points as well for the kids. Many selfie points. This is the ticket window, and I think the ticket prices were mentioned in the start of the video. 50 rupees per person. So we are done with the zoo. How was your experience?
It was good. We saw all the animals which were promised. So I think the tiger one was missing because we could only see him from far.
But you went
So I
again.
So I went for the second round and then I found him. He was like roaming around the cage because they were calling him in. So finally I got a glimpse of him also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Enjoyed
so all the
it?
Animals were good. Yeah, penguins were really good.
Yes, they could. Unfortunately, we could not take many clips of penguins because it was not allowed.
Yeah.
Hardly like one clip, I think, and then it was shut down. So, but yeah, they were really good in person. If you see, they are really cute ones. So we loved the best animal of this zoo,
Yes, the penguins.
the penguins. We were so excited to see that. Okay, so that's it, guys. This was the vlog about the Jijamata Zoo that we had not visited since so long. We came over here, we
After
spent
years.
years. We spent the day and we are so refreshed, you know, being amongst the nature and animals. It really feels so relaxing, you know. Our idea of holidays now relates to something like these things, you know, in nature, amidst nature. So yeah, that's it from our side. Till the time I see you again in the next vlog, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and please subscribe, guys, please. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, keep sharing the love that you all keep sharing always, and I'll keep bringing good content to you always. Bye bye.